Are you feeling overwhelmed and disconnected from your priorities and goals? In today's fast-paced world, it can be easy to lose sight of what truly matters. In this video, we will explore practical strategies to help you refocus your energy and find balance in all aspects of your life. Get ready to take control and live your best life yet. Here are some steps you can take to achieve balance in your life. 1. Prioritize your values and goals. Take some time to reflect on what is truly important to you, and what you want to achieve in life. This will help you refocus your energy on the things that matter most to you. 2. Create a daily routine. Establishing a daily routine can help you stay organized and focused on your goals. Make sure to schedule time for self-care and activities that bring you joy and balance. 3. Practice mindfulness. Mindfulness techniques, such as meditation and deep breathing, can help you stay present and calm in the midst of chaos. This can help you refocus and find balance in your life. 4. Set boundaries. Learn to say no to things that drain your energy and create boundaries to protect your time and mental space. This will help you maintain balance and focus on what truly matters to you. 5. Take care of your physical health. Make sure to get enough sleep, exercise regularly, and eat nourishing foods. Taking care of your physical health can help you feel more balanced and energized to tackle any challenges that come your way. 6. Seek support. Don't be afraid to reach out to friends, family, or a therapist for support and guidance. Talking about your struggles and seeking advice from others can help you gain perspective and find balance in your life. Thank you for watching this video on how to refocus and find balance in life. Remember, it's important to regularly check in with yourself and reassess your priorities to ensure you are living a fulfilling and purposeful life. Implement the tips and strategies we discussed today, and you'll be on your way to creating a more harmonious and balanced lifestyle. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more content on personal development and self-improvement.